Okay, so what if you could have a personal AI, an expert, not on, the entire internet, but just on the stuff you actually care about? Today, we're going to look at a tool that does exactly that. And honestly, it could completely change the way you research and create.
I mean, we've all been there, right? You're staring at your screen, just drowning in a sea of PDFs, articles, notes. It's totally overwhelming. And trying to find that one key piece of info, yeah, it feels like looking for a needle in a haystack.
Well, what if you had a partner for that? A smart assistant that could just instantly make sense of all of it for you. That's the whole idea behind this thing called NotebookLM. And it's not just another AI, it's really designed to be your personal study partner. So, what exactly is it? Okay, so NotebookLM is an AI powered research assistant from Google. But here's the crucial difference it becomes an expert only on the document you upload. That's huge. It means you are 100% in control of what it knows. And this right here is the key. It's the biggest difference. You know how other AIs just search the whole internet? Well, NotebookLM is what we call grounded, specifically in your sources. So its answers come directly from your stuff. And it even gives you citations. It's like having an expert on your personal library, not the entire world's library. Okay, so this super focused approach, it unlocks some seriously cool research superpowers. Let's dive in and see what you can actually do with this thing. And the process? It couldn't be easier. Seriously, it's just 3 steps. 1, upload your stuff, PDFs, Google Docs, whatever. 2, ask it questions, just like you'd talk to a person. And 3, get answers pulled directly from your own material. Just think about it. You could upload a super dense 50-page research paper and just ask, hey, can you summarize this for me? Or maybe explain the main idea like I'm 5. And boom, NotebookLM does it in seconds. We're talking about saving hours of reading time here. Now, for all you creators watching, listen up, because this is a total game changer. You can just feed it all your research, your articles, your messy notes, and then ask it to whip up a full YouTube script or a podcast outline, or even a storyboard. It literally takes your raw info and turns it into ready-to-go creative content. And hey, if you're a student or a teacher, the potential here is just massive. Imagine uploading your lecture notes and a few textbook chapters. You can instantly create study guides, glossaries of key terms, flashcards. You can even have it generate practice exam questions to quiz yourself. It's amazing. But okay, this is where it gets really powerful. You can upload up to 20 different sources at the same time. Think about that. You could feed it a whole bunch of research papers, and it can instantly find the hidden connections, the ideas they all share. It can even spot where they contradict each other and build out a concept map to pull it all together for you. It's insane. So you might be asking, who is this really for? Well, the list is huge. We're talking YouTube creators, students, teachers, serious researchers, even cybersecurity pros or Islamic studies creators. Basically, if you're a storyteller, a scriptwriter, anyone who needs to dig deep and find insights in a pile of documents, this is for you. Okay, now I want to share a little pro tip with you. This is something you can use to get absolutely incredible results right out of the gate. It's called the universal prompt. Think of this prompt as your secret weapon. You start your request by giving the AI a very specific job, like this. Act as an expert researcher, writer, and video script creator. See what you're doing? You're telling it exactly who to be and what kind of output you expect. This just sets you up for super high-quality, really well-structured results. And just think about the power of that for a second. With one single request, you can get a whole content package. We're talking a clear summary, a 5 to 10 minute YouTube script, a short vertical video script, a list of 20 more content ideas, a Q&A section, a glossary, the whole shebang. It's an absolutely incredible productivity boost. Okay, so let's zoom out for a minute. What does a tool like this really mean for all of us? Because it's about way more than just being faster. It's about fundamentally changing our relationship with information itself, both how we take it in and how we create with it. Here's the big shift. We're moving away from just passively reading our documents. Now, we can actually have a conversation with them. You can ask them questions, you can challenge their ideas, ask for clarification. It turns static, boring text into this active, interactive partner. And that really leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to think about, right? If you had an AI assistant that was a true expert on your stuff, your books, your research, your personal notes, how would that change the way you learn, the way you create, and ultimately, the way you think? The possibilities there are just really, really exciting.